Welcome to Last Minute MBBS. This is my YouTube channel where I'm trying to teach first year anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry for the 2019 exam going batch. And I'll be trying to be as simple as possible. And I'm studying in my third year right now, so I think this is the little help I could do to all my juniors during this quarantine time. So let's go and get right into it. So, a little bit about MBBS before we begin. MBBS is a very long course, so basically 5.5 years. You're going to be studying for 4.5 and working as an intern for one. It's split into pretty even years, where your first and second year will focus on preclinical subjects, and third and fourth will focus on your clinical subjects. Your third year will be the most free time, which I am right now. So I think I could put it to some good use to revise my anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. So that's all about that, and let's get right into it. So uh, anatomy is very straightforward. You need to know where each and everything is present in our body and how you're going to call it out and describe it. Basically, a language which doctors communicate with, so to enable them to know exactly what's going on and where it is present. So it's very essential, and it's going to be pretty hard in the starting because you're going to learn a lot of new terms which you need to be very comfortable with for you need to understand what's going on and what they're trying to say. So how each every textbook goes about doing this is most of them go about doing this is they split the whole body into regions like neck, thorax, abdomen, legs, hands, and you start studying about the structures present within these regions, and that's how you start learning anatomy. And other branches include embryology and osteology, and those are all parts of anatomy which will be touched upon, but core anatomy will be what's focused over here. Moving on to physiology, you learn about how the body works. It's like a well-oiled machine, and you need to know how each part is helping the whole machine as a whole, and that's what physiology focuses on. Um, it can be like a story, like maybe building a business or running a shop. You need a lot of things to go right for that shop to function. So you need to have an account multiple things while studying physiology, and this is a base for arriving at any kind of diagnosis. Anything goes wrong with physiology, you'll end up with a disease or a syndrome or any condition which needs to be treated. So this is what you need to bring back a patient to. So you need to know if it, all the normal things which happen in a body, so that you bring a affected person back to his normal form. So that's about physiology. Then moving on to biochemistry. Okay, so biochemistry is basically how each and every cell function in our body. Like a simple question it would answer is I'm eating through my mouth, but my brain is getting its energy. How? It's through ATP, and each and every cell in our body produces ATP and uses oxygen. So, how does it do that? Biochemistry. So it's a very interesting subject and it's very useful clinically. Like any disease you have, you're suspecting, investigating, the first thing you ever will do for go for a biochemical analysis. See what's going on in the body. They're basically indicators which can be picked upon and studied to arrive at a diagnosis. So very interesting subject I say, but many people think it's very hard because they find it hard to understand, or maybe they think it's nothing important. But once you know why you're studying what you're studying, I think you'll remember it most of the time, and that's what I'm gonna try to do. Like I'm not going to repeat the whole textbook and all because it's frankly boring, and I'm just going to try to say what's important and what you need to focus on and give you a pathway or something, a road, show you a road, something, and you start building your own road after that, or you walk on that road. It's entirely up to you. So, this is my take on first year anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry, and I hope you like it and it helps you in some way or the other. Thank you.